With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, so the question is, if alpha is a non-real fifth root of unity, then the value of 3 to the power 1 plus alpha square and so on up to alpha minus 2 to the power minus alpha to the power minus 1 in mod is. So first of all, we have given as alpha is equals to non-real fifth root of unity. So non-real fifth of unity can be written as 1 by 5, 1 to the power 1 by 5, where alpha is not equals to 1. Alpha cannot be 1. So alpha to the power 5 is equals to 1. From that you can write alpha to the power 5 because when the power comes to this side, it likes a reciprocate. So this comes out to alpha to the power 5 is equals to 1. And alpha to the power minus 2 can be written as alpha to the power 3. Similarly, alpha to the power minus 1 can be written as alpha to the power 4 by this only. So therefore 1 plus alpha square plus alpha minus 2 minus alpha minus 1 can be written as 1 plus alpha square, and this can be written as alpha cube, and this can be written as alpha 4. This is minus of alpha 4 because this is minus. So we have taken the power side, so to express it more easily. So from this the sum is nothing but alpha 4 minus 1 divided by alpha minus 1, which is equals minus of alpha 4. This is alpha the power 4. So this can be written as 1 by alpha minus 1 divided by alpha minus 1 as it is. So minus of 1 by alpha. So why we have written this? Because alpha of the power 5 is 1 from this. So alpha the power 4 is nothing but 1 upon alpha. So from that you can write this as 1 by alpha. So alpha 4 is nothing but alpha the power 4 can be written as 1 by alpha. That is why I have written this. So minus of 1 by alpha, that is from this minus of 1 by alpha minus of 1 by alpha taking LCM, that is nothing but minus 2 by alpha, and this can be written as minus 2 alpha p to the power 4. So this can be written as like this. So you have 1 in mod 1 plus alpha square plus alpha minus 2 to the power minus alpha minus 1 to the power in mod can be written as minus 2 of alpha the power 4. This is alpha the power 4, not this. This is alpha the power 4. Minus 2 alpha the power 4, not p. Minus 2 alpha the power 4. This comes out to be mod. So when you open mod, comes out to 2 into alpha the power 4, alpha in the mod. So this can be written as alpha the power 4 is nothing but what? That is comes out to be 2 only. So you can say that this value is 2. This value is 2. And you need to find the value of 3 to the power 1 plus alpha square plus alpha minus 2 minus alpha minus 1. So from that you can say that 3 to the power 2, that is nothing but 9. So your answer is what? 9. That is option number A. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.